Following the 2023 release of the United States Strategic Denim Reserve, many Lemons racers took to the curious cotton-clad phenomenon of covering their cars in jean material. They prove that in the tapestry of Lemons, sometimes it's the threads you don't expect that hold it all together. With every great rush, be it gold, oil, rubber, there are always winners, and then there are those who merely stitch along. In the great Lemons Levi rush of 23, the ones who made the real money were rarely the seamstresses or the glue appliers. No, the tycoons were the ones who sold the tools and the denim. In the winter of 23, these Canadian tuxedos were the attire of choice on the whole Lemons circuit, and for good reason. That year, alliterative history was made when the Jenin Jar debuted at Road Atlanta. Never before had a Lemons car been so totally and completely jean-jacketed.
Some things in life are timeless. Comfort, craftsmanship, and denim. With true denim trim from the bumper to the trunk, the Jenin Jar has unparalleled style and elegance in its jeans. Jenin Jar. Genius.
Then, in the summer of 24, another Lemons denim pioneer, Kyle Mock, clad his Kia Sophia in jorts. Here's a letter he wrote to his cousin on the subject.
Dearest cousin Thaddeus, I write to you amidst the dust and roar of a Lemons race, compelled to share the noble reasoning behind my latest undertaking, draping the entire exterior of my Kia in jorts. The denim, stout and resilient, serve to channel the wind most admirably. The pockets thoughtfully placed along the sides and the hood do not merely proclaim my devotion to fashion, but also prove indispensable for matters of practicality. In them, I stow gum for long journeys, chapstick to prevent the chapping of one's lips upon the high-speed travel, and lighters, lest a gentleman find himself unprepared for the necessity of lighting celebratory cigars. Truly, the denim-clad Kia is as much a carriage of convenience as it is a herald of style.
In the winter of 2025, Two Lemon Tree Racing added denim racing stripes to their Saturn SL1 and dubbed it the Jaturn. These racing stripes measurably improved performance, and even the world's top scientists still don't understand why. Acknowledging the Lemons Levi's revolution, in early 2026, Lemons chief perp Jay Lamb made his famous speech. Ask not what your Levi's edition gremlin can do for you. Ask rather what you can do to cover the exterior of your Levi's edition gremlin in denim.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?